Can you be the one and only owner of your funds? And finally, leave greedy banks behind. Well, hot question for 2023, huh? So, welcome to the world of DeFi wallets, where you can keep your digital assets safe and sound without any snooping by the government. So, say goodbye to those traditional financial systems with their pesky restrictions and transfer fees. Now, you can move your assets around the world without anyone getting in your way. So, what is a DeFi wallet exactly? Well, it's like a digital piggy bank that you can access with a password and seed phrase. And no, a seed phrase isn't something you sprinkle on your garden to make your assets grow. It's actually a confidential phrase made up of 12 to 24 words that you'll need to access your wallet. So think of it as your secret passphrase to your digital treasure trove. Now, to get started with a DeFi wallet, you'll need to download some software or an extension, depending on whether you are using a phone or computer. And don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. And once you've signed up, you'll receive your very own seed phrase to keep safe. But just remember, if you lose it, you'll lose access to your wallet forever. So you better write it down and keep it in a safe place. With so many wallet options out there, it can be quite overwhelming to choose the right one, especially for you. But fear not, we've got you covered. Our first pick, obviously, is MetaMask. It can be rightfully called the DeFi wallet that's taking the Ethereum world by storm. First things first, if you're new to this whole DeFi thing, just don't worry. MetaMask is super easy to use, even for beginners. It's available as a Chrome or Firefox extension or as a mobile app, so you can access it wherever you go. Now, Ethereum is the default network, but don't let that limit you. MetaMask lets you add other popular networks like Arbitrum and Polygon in just a few clicks. And if you're worried about security, well, MetaMask supports ledger devices, so you can import additional accounts and secure them with the hardware wallet. But wait, there's actually more. MetaMask connects to just about any DApp in the Ethereum ecosystem. So you can access all the top DeFi protocols like Aave, for example, with complete ease. And if you're feeling, well, adventurous, you can wander off into the Arbitrum or Polygon DeFi worlds, for example, and MetaMask is likely to be one of your connection options again. Well, of course, no product is perfect and MetaMask is no exception. There is some spotty token detection on some networks and only Ethereum is supported out of the box. But don't let that scare you off. Adding more networks manually is just a breeze, and the pros definitely outweigh the cons. So, who is MetaMask good for? Well, anyone actually. Newbies will appreciate how easy it is to use, and as you gain more experience, MetaMask offers more features and networks. Besides, if you are an Ethereum or Polygon DeFi user, token detection on those networks is just fantastic, with enhanced token detection enabled. So there you have it, folks. MetaMask is the DeFi wallet that's got it all. It's easy to use, works with all the top DeFi protocols, and offers great security options. Plus, it is made by Consensus, a giant in the crypto space. So, you know it's a quality product. So, give that fox a moment to wake up and download MetaMask today. Whether you are already a Coinbase exchange user or not, Coinbase Wallet is here to save the day. It's like the milk to your cereal or the peanut butter to your jelly. Well, you got the picture. Yeah, but let's get serious for a moment. Coinbase Wallet is a standalone app that can connect to Coinbase Exchange if you're so close. It's super easy to use and has great token detection in a wide network selection. Plus, if you are a Solana fan, you can use the Coinbase Wallet with Solana as well as Ethereum and compatible networks, of course. But like any product, it has its pros and cons. So one of the pros is that you can get a custom ENS name, so others can send money easily. And if you are a newbie to DeFi, this wallet is a great fit for you. On the downside, well, there are limited user settings and the closed source software means you can't check the code for bugs or exploits. Plus, if you use multiple networks, the wallet can feel, well, a bit cluttered. All in all, we love Coinbase Wallet because it's easy button of the crypto world. So it's like a loyal dog that always stays by your side, ready to take on whatever adventure comes next. So who is Coinbase Wallet good for? Well, newbies rejoice. This wallet offers a just works experience, and if you get stuck, there is always someone who can help you out, even if they can't undo that weird swap you just made. And if you're a fan of Ethereum or Solana DeFi, Coinbase Wallet can navigate both worlds with ease. Okay, are you tired of using clunky crypto wallets that leave you feeling lost in the world of decentralized finance? Well, just look no further than Trust Wallet. Available on your favorite mobile devices and now even on your desktop, Trust Wallet offers a user-friendly interface for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and more. But wait, there's even more. With Trust Wallet, you can invest directly through the wallet and start earning. So it's like having your own personal finance advisor, but without that fancy suit and tie. And with the ability to purchase tokens across multiple blockchains, including the popular ERC20, Trust Wallet makes it easy to invest in the hottest crypto assets in currency. There's also no need to worry about connecting to a decentralized network either. Trust Wallet has its own integrated exchange system, meaning you can buy and sell crypto without the hassle of dealing with gas fees and security risks from other platforms. It feels like having your own personal crypto exchange in your pocket. But in some cases, you might pay more than you should originally. So Trust Wallet is definitely a great option for both newbies and experienced users who cherish nice security and simplicity the most. And the best part, well, Trust Wallet is a newcomer to the game, which means they had the advantage of learning from the mistakes of other wallets and creating a better experience just for you. So say goodbye to those confusing interfaces and hello to Trust Wallet. If you are looking for a wallet that's as cool as your black rimmed glasses, then Frame is your best choice. With its sleek desktop app and Chrome/Firefox extension, connecting to your favorite D apps is easier than ever. Well, sure, there is a bit of learning curve, but trust us, it's worth it. Plus, once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to seamlessly use multiple networks at once, switch between test networks, and easily connect to your ledger. And let's not forget about the superior transaction cost display. Yeah, it's all great, but what really sets Frame apart is its omni-chain feature. So you can connect to different blockchains at the same time, meaning you can use Arbitrum on one D app and Ethereum on other without any hassle. And if you're a power user who loves tinkering with your settings, well, you'll definitely appreciate the ability to turn off accounts individually. So talk about control here. Well, we won't lie to you, the interface can be a bit tricky, and you can connect only to 5 networks out of the box. Well, although you can add more manually. Plus, you cannot create new wallets just yet, although that's coming soon. But for DeFi pros, security-minded folks, and anyone with a lot of accounts to manage, Frame is the perfect tool. So whether you are a seasoned DeFi pro or just getting started, Frame is definitely worth checking out. Okay, our final pick for this top is ZenGo, the superhero of crypto wallets, providing maximum security for your precious assets. Unlike other wallets that rely on a seed phrase, ZenGo uses a unique security mechanism that involves 2 distinct keys, one stored on your cloud and the other one on the wallet server. This means that if a hacker wants to get their grubby hands on your funds, they would need both keys. It's like having a padlock with 2 keys, one that you hold and the one that ZenGo holds. It is called MPC cryptography and it's part of their 3-factor authentication system. So pretty impressive, right? Of course, with great security comes a little trade-off. Well, you do have to give up partial control of your assets to ZenGo since they hold a part of your encryption keys. But hey, isn't that a small price to pay for a peace of mind? The ZenGo wallet is available as an app on your Android or iOS device, making it super convenient to use on the go. Plus, it offers a partial instant crypto exchange service where you can buy from various cryptocurrencies and also sell Ethereum too. So if you are into dApps, NFTs, blockchain games, and other DeFi applications, ZenGo has got you covered with its Wallet Connect feature. And yes, there is even more. ZenGo also has a user-friendly interface, lightning-fast customer support, and built-in firewall. And if you need to adjust your transaction fees, no problem. ZenGo lets you customize your fees according to your needs. So if you want maximum security for all your crypto assets without feeling like you need a degree in cybersecurity, well, ZenGo is the wallet just for you. So we've discussed 5 innovative crypto wallets in this video. Could you ask for more? Yes, the answer to our intro question. Well, decentralized finance, or simply DeFi, is the way to go, because you are the only rightful owner, as there are no third parties around. You can choose any of the DeFi wallets from this video and be sure that you are in control of your own funds. Yes, it is that simple. But what if the whole crypto world will collapse once and for all?